Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to generate AI music from text with FlexClip. Log in with your account first. Here, you can preview various music samples and try the same prompts. On the left side, enter your prompt or try our samples. Choose a suitable style. Adjust the music duration from 30s to 240s. You can enter your own lyrics. If not, AI will automatically write suitable lyrics for you. Click Generate. A few minutes later, you'll get a beautiful song with a name and cover photo. Click the play button to listen to your song. You can download it directly or further edit it on the editing page. Click the song name. You can preview its information, including the cover, name, prompt, and lyrics. You can also copy the lyrics and paste them into a Word file to save them. To delete this music or multiple music, just need to click the three-dot button and find the option you need. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.